Yeah, I can't believe it happened. What the heck? That's crazy. We're going to Harbor Freight to buy a front motorcycle stand to lift up my bike because my hair is a whack mess. Anyway, I think I got some bad wheel bearings on the GSXR-750. We're at Harbor Freight. We got it right there. Check it out, y'all. Woohoo! Going to get a motorcycle stand. We'll be back in a minute. Yep. We're back. Well, they didn't have any stands in stock, so I'm going to figure something out. But I got these. I want to compare them to my Snap-on Allen wrenches, because these were $20 for the set. I had a 20% off coupon, and then I went ahead and got this compressor here. This compressor is awesome. This will be my third one. The only reason I keep getting new ones is because the ones that I have, I give them away to people that need them because they're having tire issues or something. So I'm giving the one that I had that was still like new. I gave it to my mother because her car had a flat tire and she don't want to get a new tire, so I said I was going to let her keep it. So I bought me another one of them. And then today they had a free flashlight, Father's Day thing, free flashlight, and then stuck on the back is this little bit. It's double-ended PH2 Phillips bit. I can put that in my DeWalt Impact, and it has two ends, so I guess if you wear one end out, you'll do the other. So anyway, back again. We're at AutoZone. We're gonna see if they have a motorcycle stand. There's a possibility, and if not, we're gonna go to the motorcycle shop and pray they might have one. I gotta have the stand so I can order the bearings, so I can change the bearings on the GSXR so it'll roll smoothly. Disappointingly, AutoZone doesn't have anything for motorcycles at all. I don't even think their spark plugs will fit. So we're going to Longshore Cycle Center. See you there in a minute. Well, anyway, we're going to Longshore Cycle Center. Go. Well, we're gonna have to find a place to park. Well, we'll be back. Well, you won't believe this. They don't carry motorcycle stands. They have dirt bike stands, and that's it. Oh well, that's okay. We will find one day, maybe Amazon. Look how clean that truck is. I washed it today. Super clean. Well, I got something in the seat, but it looks pretty good. I like it. Fixing to go for a ride on the Gixxer today, right now. Yes, need to get it out of the house for a little bit. We'll be back. Well, we're on the bike. Good, how are you? We're on the GSXR-750. And anyway, sorry about being distracted, but I think I'm fixing to trade the Hayabusa off Haven't made a 100% decision yet, but I'm kind of wanting to have some versatility in my motorcycle collection, and I've already had one offer, and I may consider it, trading it for it's a Heritage Softail Classic Harley Davidson for the Hayabusa, decked out with saddlebags and all that good stuff. That's the main disadvantage of riding one of these, is I have to wear a backpack if I want to carry anything. Sometimes I'd like to just go somewhere, strap my helmet to the bike or lock it on the bike and be able to go in somewhere and not have a bunch of crap hanging off of me. So that's probably going to be main deciding factor, although I do wish it had a passenger seat and a backrest. It doesn't, the one the guy offered me, but I mean, I can add that later. That ain't a big deal. I do have a goal of having 5 motorcycles at one time, but that's not that's a long-term goal, not a short-term goal. So I can have one for every different type of riding. know if you can hear that wheel bearing making noise. I switched to sport bikes is because of my knee, but at the time I weighed 400, 500 pounds, and my knee would start killing me after I rode for a little while. No, I didn't even have to ride very long. Well, I would also get knee pain riding one of these, but it wouldn't be as severe. I could handle riding for long distances. But now, because I've lost so much weight, my knee doesn't bother me near as bad on this, so I don't think it would really bother me as bad on that either. A lot of it had to do with the way my legs were sitting because of the angle and how big they were. So, and I really like sitting upright sometimes when I'm riding. It's just more comfortable.